Alright, what's up everybody? It's Omega from Omega's Gaming. Today we're going to spend 6,850 crowns on these crown crates and see how shitty our luck is. Alright, fingers crossed. Alright, got a combat pet. Sadness. I got 19 crates altogether. Uh-oh. Ah, experience scroll. Oh, got a costume. Okay. Okay, let's keep doing that. The crown, I got a fucking hat and a soul gem. Alright, this is not looking good. Riding capacity. Mimic stones. Riding lessons. Oh, I gotta fucking clear some space. How shitty is that? This is what happens when you're not prepared to open crates. You look like an asshole. Alright, we can try this again. Hey, Dwarven horse. Awasado. Hey, that fucking new mount. What? Let's go. That's what I like to see. I got a fox. I'll take it. That Dwarven mount was damn near worth fucking the whole thing. Hey! I got the fucking shock that I wanted. That thing looks ugly as fuck. Let's get some more gold shit. If you don't think I'm wearing a fucking monocle the entire time I played this game, you have no idea who I am. This right here, always active from now on. Whatever, keep giving me those fucking shits. I still got 10 left. Fuck yeah. Got the hat. What is good? This might be the first time I get fucking everything that I want and don't have to spend a million fucking dollars on these crates. Whatever. Take that. Okay, costumes. I like costumes. There you go. Give me that other fucking one, boy. Okay, facial accessory. That looks legit. Okay, another fucking costume. Yeah, throw me those fucking things, dude. Oh, the shock again. Oh shit, those are 33. Oh, 63 already? Yo, if I get 100, I can get that fucking mount. Oh, what's up with this gold one, though? Hey, another mount? Okay, the pale guar. Okay. A fucking flag? It's whatever. And a costume. Okay. Alright, last crate. Where's my fucking gold one, you bitch? Fucking bitch. Whatever, that's 5 more. Alright, that's not that bad. Now we just gotta check this shit out. Yep, yep. Alright. Fucking mounts. Hey. Hey. I like how it fucking like materializes. That's cool. I like that shit. What happens if I try to jump? Hold on. That's fucking sweet. You see that? That's fucking legit. Alright. Happiness. Pale Guar. I mean, it looks pretty cool. All white and shit. But it's not a dwarven horse, so there's a problem there. Alright, so I got the little hound thing. That's nice and creepy. Little black shawl. Okay. Got the fox. We're going Mementos. Oh shit, I got the puzzle orb. I didn't even see that I got this. That shit broke? That shit broke. Did anything else I didn't notice? Nope. Alright, appearances. Hats. That's fucking. Ugh. That shit right there is legit. That's getting worn on my tank. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. The fuck is this? A yarmulke? A fucking yarmulke. Alright. Facial accessories. Okay, that didn't do shit. Have get off my face. So, facial accessories. Alright. I guess I have to hide my face. What is that shit in? Gameplay? Alright. That's pretty cool. It goes right over my horns and shit. I like it. Fucking monocle. Let's go. It's kind of fucking cool too. Costumes. Not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty simple. Alright. Honestly, that was not that bad. Pretty surprised that I actually got a mount. Usually it takes me about $200 to get a fucking mount. But I accept it. It was pretty badass. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching.